How does solar cell energy work? When the sun is shining, the sun energy can be captured to generate electricity or heat through a system of panels or mirror. The solar cells convert sunlight directly into electricity. Most solar cells are made primarily of silicon, same material as computer chips. When the sunlight hits the cell, the sunlight delivers a huge amount of energy, which knocks the electrons free from their atoms, allowing them to flow around the material, resulting in direct current electricity. This is sent to a power inverter for conversion to alternate current electricity, which is the form of electric power we use to power our homes and have in our homes. As you can see on the picture, you can see that the sun is sending down photons, sunlight, to the solar cells, which is powering up the electrons and sent over to the power inverter. Yes. There are some few advantages and disadvantages in this kind of alternative energy. With wind energy, there's no pollution emissions. It's a free fuel, as in the wind is free, and the windmills are very fast to generate the lost energy back. It's only taking 3 to 8 months for the energy farm to recoup the energy consumed by building it and installing it. However, the disadvantage is it can be very noisy and irritate people and animals. It can be hard to find windy places where to put them. Advantages and disadvantages in solar energy. Again, there's no pollutant emissions at all. Solar panels are very silent and easy to operate with. Solar energy is infinity and is very reliable. And you don't have to maintain the solar cells that much as, for example, windmills. However, there's some disadvantages. It's only in the daytime and when the sun is shining that they produce energy, and in countries like Denmark with unreliable climates, it can be hard to the solar cells to generate enough power to give enough power to the whole house, for example. Which alternative energy is the best? It's hard to say, but right now solar energy produces more energy, the most energy, but windmills produce a lot of energy also, but it's hard for us to store the energy from windmills, and therefore solar energy produces most energy right now. However, it's difficult to say which will be the cheapest, because it's a very new technology for everyone. So it's improving all the time. And other kinds of alternative energy, there is biomass. Biomass is a biological material where it's delivered from the living or recent living organisms. It's mostly plants or plant-based materials. As energy source, biomass can either be used directly via composting to produce heat, or indirectly after converting it to various forms of biofuel. Um, conversion of biomass can be achieved in different methods, which are broadly classified into thermal or biochemical methods. Thermal conversion process use heat as a dominant mechanism to convert biomass into another chemical form. Biochemical conversion makes use of enzymes of bacteria or other microorganisms to break down the biomass and make it into biofuel. Yes.